Hey, welcome to Ralph for Jesus Success Show. I am Obuko Korafe by name. In today's show, I'm going to talk about how money flows in the direction of value. From researches and experiences, it was observed that there are a lot of people out there, they mistake money for value. Because of this misconception about value, they fail to work on themselves. They go about chasing money instead of value. I want to let you know today that money flows in the direction of value. Before we go straight to the topic of today, there will be a new video when I'm going to talk about the difference between money and value. But for now, let's concentrate on how money flows in the direction of value. Let's get started. First, what is value? Value is the quality of being useful to yourself, to the society, and to the world. Before money can flow in your direction, you must be useful to yourself. Before money can flow in your direction, you must be useful in the society as a whole. Let's go straight to the question that you ought to ask yourself before money can flow in your direction. 1. How can I be valuable? That is, how can I be useful to myself? How can I be useful to the society? Before you can be valuable, you must have some certain qualities that the world needs. Now, what are the qualities? You must be creative in reasoning. You must be innovative. You must have some certain things that the world regards. You must have something that the world admires. Because from the look of things today, the world is looking for those that are ready to make this come alive. To make it straight, the world is looking for problem solver. You must become a problem solver. We move straight to the next question. Before we go straight to the next question, please endeavor to stay till the end, because I saved the best till last. Now, what is the next question? How can I be consistent in value? This is where the power of reputation comes in. Those qualities you have possessed so far, you must work on them on a daily basis. Let's say peradventure, you are good in programming. You discover that you can program very well. You need to do a lot of practice. You need to do a lot of exercise on a daily basis, because the world is looking for programmers. There are a lot of companies out there looking for programmers. If you can program very well today now, companies are ready to employ you. Then money will flow in your hands. We move straight to the last question, which is, how can I be stable in value? This is where the power of equilibrium and stability comes in. You must strike balance in the system. Those qualities you have possessed so far, you must think of how you can be stable in them. And if you can be stable in value, I promise you and I assure you, money will flow in your direction. Here is my advice for you, dear listeners out there. Please stop chasing money for the sake of chasing money. Instead of chasing money, think of how you can make your life valuable. Because if you are valued today, the world will run towards your direction. Don't forget that there are a lot of people tied to you. Don't forget that a lot of people are waiting for your solution. New sites are coming up. New companies are coming up. If you can build yourself today, tomorrow you will enjoy the fruit of your labor. Stop chasing money. You can see now, because of chasing of money, a lot of people, they have committed a lot of atrocity out there. They have committed a lot of evil out there. Ritualists all over the places. Highway robbers all over the places. What is your gain when you gain the whole world and lose your soul? Please don't chase money. Go after value. When you have what the world needs, money will come. When you render services to the public, you will be paid for your services. Please think of how you can be valuable. And if you can do all these things, all this advice, and if you can possess all these qualities, I assure you, money will be the order of the day. Stop stressing yourself.